Welcome everyone. We will be looking at how Salesforce Education Cloud can transform the way institutions handle recruitment and admissions. The goal is simple: deliver a seamless and connected experience for both learners and staff from the first interaction to enrollment gap. Here's what we will cover today: an introduction to Education Cloud, an overview of the recruitment and admission processes, key roles, and how the process flows between them, and finally, the tools and benefits for both students and staff. Education Cloud is more than just a CRM. It's a holistic platform that gives institutions a 360-degree view of a student. Staff can easily access everything about a student, their academic history, current programs, interactions, and even the staff they communicate with. This means faster, more informed decisions and a more personalized experience for every student. Next, let's begin with recruitment and admission portal. It's designed to give student a smooth digital experience. From this portal, student can request program information, apply for admission, upload required documents, schedule appointments with advisors. This creates a modern student-first approach that's intuitive and efficient. Recruitment process overview. The recruitment process starts with lead generation, capturing interest through forms, social media, and in-person events. Then we move to lead nurturing, where automated journeys and targeted campaigns engage students with relevant content. Finally, application tracking. Let staff monitor where each applicant stands in a process, ensuring no one slips through the cracks. Next, admission process overview. Once a lead is replied ready to apply, the admission process begins. Next, admission process overview. Once a lead is ready to apply, the admissions process begins. Students submit online applications seamlessly integrated with Salesforce. Document management. Help track and manage all necessary paperwork. Interview scheduling is automated using Salesforce flows, saving time for both student and staff. And with decision management, admission team can manage and communicate decisions quickly, whether it's acceptance, rejections, or waitlisting. Next, tools for recruitment admissions. First one, education data architect. Here we can store data. It helps structure student data to reflect real academic relationship. Next one, marketing cloud. It enables personalized, timely communications. Next one, experience cloud. It power the student facing portal. And campaign management tool help track performance and engagement at every step. Next, recruitment and admissions app features. The dedicated app for recruitment and admissions includes real-time application management, responding to RFIs or request for informations. Next, task and appointment scheduling and rich analytics to guide decision making. These features help admission teams work smarter and faster. Key roles and process flow. First one, student initiate the process by submitting applications. Second, directors of admissions and recruiters guide students, review data, and move applications forward. Third one, admissions committee evaluate document and update the statuses like approved, reject, or pending. Fourth one, DP of enrollment uses analytics to identify trends and improve strategies to meet institution goals. Next, we are going to show the demo for admissions and recruitment and admission process. For that, I'm going to Salesforce app. This is the recruitment and admissions app. Here we can some objects like accounts, cases, opportunities, academic programs, learning programs, individual applications. Here we are going to use accounts and individual applications for recruitment and admission processes. For that, first I'm going to Sophia's account. In this, I'm going to log into experience site. This is a recruitment and admissions app. Here we have these are the objects: accounts, cases, opportunities, learning programs, individual applications, application reviews, ships, service appointments. For now, we are going to use accounts and individual applications for the recruitment and admission process. For that, now I'm in Sophia's account. This is a recruitment and admissions app. Here we are using accounts, cases, opportunities, academic terms, learning programs, individual application reviews, shifts, service appointments. For now, I'm using account. This is Sophia's account. For applying, I'm going to experience site. This is the student side. Here we have tabs like Home, My 360, Support, Careers, Campus, and My Request for Informations. For now, I'm going to create a new application. For that, I'm clicking Apply Now. And then I'm clicking New Application. Here, I'm selecting the application type and academic term and the learning program as Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and click Save. This is the application we are creating now. Here we need to confirm and fill some more details. For that, first we will go one by one. I click profile. Here we need to fill some data that are missed. So I fill those details in this section. Some other fields values are there. Uncheck other sections also like demographics, geography and nationality. Then languages, I have English and Spanish. So I no need to update this language. So I click press no and click next. Profile is completed. Next, I'm going to secondary education. Here, I'm not going to change anything. I gave no for do you want to report academic honors and then click next. Next, I'm going to files. I click no and give next. Then I'm going to recommendation. This is we are going to recommend to some other persons. For that, I give some name and organization as ABC institutions like that. And for filling survey, I'm going to give my mail ID and click send invitation. I'm filling that survey from my mail. I am receiving that. For that, I'm going to open that mail and fill those forms, that survey. Once I completed the survey, this recommendation also marked as completed. Now I'm filling that survey in my mail ID through my phone. I finished that survey. Now I'm going to refresh this. Here we complete this form filled by the student side. Now this form going to reviewed by directors and admissions recruiters. For that, I'm going to log in as one of the recruiter. That same. Here we can see that recently applied Sophia's application. I'm going to click that. In this, I've logged in as a Rachel Bigman. Here, she go through all the details given by Sophia and mark this application to in review from in progress. Here, now the stage is incomplete. Once it's reviewed and mark this for in review, it will update it to status as in review. Here we can see the status updated to in review. Now this application going to the admissions and committees to approve or admit this application. For that, we have one user as Regina. I'm going to log in as Regina. This is the application whose status as in review. Here Regina verify the files and other details are given by Sophia. Then she marked this status as ready for decision. After that, she marked these fields also as admit, enroll. Here, I'm giving us admit and give some comment as she is eligible and give next. Now, one application decision is created for Sophia to admit her for this course. This is the flow from student applying for application and from the admission committee members approve and admit for that course. Next, benefits of students. They get a complete view of their application process. Profiles are updated in real time for faster reviews. A timeline of every touch point is available for transparency. They can track progress, get automated updates, and avoid the usual confusion in traditional system. Next, benefit of faculty and staff benefits. Admissions officers can manage their caseloads with ease. Recruiters handle appointments and follow-ups in one place. Directors build prospect lists, assign recruiters, and monitor KPIs. All staff enjoy intuitive task planning and workload management via dashboards. This means fewer delays, less manual effort, and more strategic work. Next, benefits of Salesforce for education. Centralized data management, so everyone's working from the same source of truth. Personalized student journeys that improves engagement. Real-time insights that drive faster, smarter decisions. And most importantly, cross-department collaboration that breaks silos. These are the links to learn and practice education cloud. Thank you.